Hello, good afternoon. I'm Priscilla Kristandia with student ID number 25050101060 from class KM 102. I'm here with Miss Angel as the informant. Hello, Miss Angel.
Hello, my name is Aneka Gloria Binti and I'm working in education field as an English teacher at Golden Christian School.
Okay, thank you for the introduction, Miss Angel. Then let's get straight to the interview. Okay, Miss Angel, in your opinion, what is education?
In my opinion, education is a process where we guide the people to get more knowledge, character, skill to have a meaningful life.
Okay, so how far is technology used in learning today? Is it efficient and effective?
I feel that technology is widely used in every learning platforms and it is actually efficient for the teachers to use when it used wisely.
Okay. How important is education in human life today?
I see that education is very important for people where we can get knowledge to build our lives.
What is the biggest challenge for educators today?
Based on my experience when teaching, the biggest challenge that I face as a teacher is when I guide my students to have good behavior while I need to lead them to have motivation in learning.
Okay. The next question, how can schools prepare students academically, morally, and spiritually?
School can balance academic learning through example and daily practice.
Okay, and the last question is, what is your hope for Indonesia's education system in the future?
I hope Indonesia education system to be a place where we can guide the people to get more knowledge and character and to have a better meaningful life.
Okay, all the responses are great. Thank you, Miss Angel, for your time. And before I finish this interview, I would like to thank Miss Lilia Putri Arum for the attention. That's all. Good afternoon and thank you. Hello, good morning. Here I will discuss the results of my interview with my informant, which I conducted on the theme of education. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Priscilla Kristandia with student ID number 25050101060 from class KM 102. I would also like to introduce my informant, Miss Angel Christy Gloria Binti, as teacher at Golden Christian School. On this occasion, I would like to explain the results of my interview with Miss Angel, which I chose as my theme, education. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, education is the process of changing the attitudes and behavior of an individual or group in an effort to better them through teaching and training. We can all see that education is crucial to human life. This is also an inseparable and inextricable topic. Therefore, I chose this as the topic of my interview with an educator at a private school as an English teacher, Miss Angel, so that the topic I chose would also be relevant to my interviewee. Here a list of questions that I gave to the informant already. First, in your opinion, what is education? How far is technology used in learning today? Is it effective and efficient? How important is education in human life today? What is the biggest challenge for educators today? How can schools prepare students academically, morally, and spiritually? What is your hope for Indonesia's education system in the future? Okay, so now I'm gonna go through the results of my interview one by one. starting with the first question. First question, in your opinion, what is education? And in Miss Angel's opinion, education is a process where we guide people to get more knowledge, character, skill to have a meaningful life. Second question, how far is technology used in learning today? Is it effective and efficient? And the answer is, Miss Angel feels that technology is widely used in every learning platforms and is actually efficient for the teacher to use when it used wisely. Next question is the third question. How important is education in human life today? And the answer, Miss Angel see that education is very important for people where we can get knowledge to build our lives. Next question, what is the biggest challenge for educators today? Based on Miss Angel's experience, when she teaching, the biggest challenge that her face as a teacher when she guide her students to have a good behavior while she need to lead them to have motivation in learning. Next question, how can schools prepare students academically, morally, and spiritually? Miss Angel says schools can balance academic learning through example and daily practice. And the last question, what is your hope for Indonesia's education system in the future? Miss Angel's hope for Indonesia's education system is to be a place where we can guide the people to get more knowledge and character to have a better, meaningful life. My response to the results of this interview is that education is a very influential thing for every individual. And the way we learn by accessing educational features that we can now get on digital platforms can make it easier for every individual who has a high interest in learning. Because in today's digital era, we can easily find knowledge anywhere and anytime. Student attitudes are also one of the teacher's focuses in teaching, because teachers must recognize their characters and find solutions on how to get their attention so they can learn better, improve their skills, and so on. Conclusion, based on the interview results, education is understood as a process of guiding individuals to develop knowledge, skills, character, and wisdom in order to live meaningful lives. In today's era, technology has been widely integrated into learning through digital platforms and applications, and it can be effective and efficient when used with clear goals and proper guidance. Education plays a crucial role in shaping human thinking, character, and readiness to face real-life challenges. However, educators face significant challenges, especially in guiding students' behavior and building discipline, values, and motivation. Therefore, schools must balance academic achievement with moral and spiritual development. In the future, it is hoped that Indonesia's education system will become more inclusive, value-based, and focused on developing both competence and strong character. Here the end of my presentation, and before I finish, I would like to thank Miss Nindya for the attention. That's all. Good morning and thank you.